Hi guys, I have another haul for you today. I went to Michael's and they had, well, today's President's Day and they had their President's Day sale, so they had 20% off your regular purchase and sale items coupon, and then they also had 40% off all recollection stickers and embellishments. So I got some fun stuff today and I'm really excited to show you what I got. The first item I got was this thin heart ribbon. It was 59 cents. It's part of the Valentine's Day stuff, so it was on sale for 70% off, and you couldn't use any more coupons on it because it was clearance. But we got a bunch of ribbon, you'll see in a second, for my Nana because she's making little like collars for her. We got a giant dog for her for Valentine's Day, so she's gonna make like collars for it or something like that, and she's got two big bears we got her for Christmas. So we got this ribbon, and then we also got this ribbon, which was $1.19, and it's got the wire in it, so that's a pretty good deal. And she likes red and pink, so it doesn't really matter if it's Valentine's Day or not. The next ribbon we got was this one. It's from the Easter stuff. This was $3.19, so not a bad deal, and it's really pretty, and they had a bunch of different colors of this stuff. Yellow, hot pink, green, whatever. And then we got this one. This, I guess, was regular price for 50 cents, and we got it for 40 cents because we had the 20% off coupon, so it's just that really thin ribbon. Then we weren't sure what she was looking for, so we did pick her up some embroidery floss, and this was 42 cents. It was originally 52 cents. Just a pretty color for her. I don't know what she was talking about, a whole bunch of different stuff, so we tried to find what she would want. The other Valentine's Day item we got was, we being me and my sister. I always say we, but then I say I, so if I say we, it's because me and my sister, we shop together. But we picked up this pack of stickers, shaker stickers, and $1.19. Like I said, Valentine's Day stuff was 70% off, so really cute. I was really excited to see these items this is like in the $2 section. They're like the value stuff. These are embossing folders, and then they each come with a stamp. I already opened this one up because I wanted to see what it looks like. That's why it's kind of backwards or whatever, but I'm really excited to have embossing folders because I didn't order any from my AliExpress haul. So I'm going to be using these in my die cut machine, obviously, and then I'll probably give away the stamps and Happy Meal just because I won't use them. But I thought these were a really great deal. Usually only $2, but if you have the 20% off coupon, you can get them for $1.60, which is a really good deal. And they're a nice size too. I'd probably say 4x6. So the recollection stuff was 40% off of the stickers, embellishments, and washi tape. I didn't get any washi tape, but I did get some embellishments, and then these were the only recollection stickers I picked up. I just got 3 different colors of the letters just because I use a lot of letter stickers, and I needed some good, like, just staple colors to use on anything. So I got these for originally $2.99, and I got them for $1.79. So thought that was a good price to pick these up at. These stickers, where's the other one? Oh, these stickers were from the $2 spot also, but I got them again for $1.60. Just some hollow stickers. I really I was really into all of the hollow stuff they had, and so I picked up a lot of stuff that would go along with this, and I have some other things as well that I want to make hollow stuff out of, so I thought these were pretty, and you get 2 of them in there. And I mean, it's not a great price to pay for these, but they're pretty, and I bought the glitter ones when they had them out, so I don't know, I thought I'd pick those up. I thought they were cool. This is some other stuff from this part of the $2 section. So again, all of this was $1.60. Just got some binder rings. They're cute with like gumballs, donuts, and stuff on them. Thought these were cute. Then I got some stickers. I want to make a like sweet treat flip book and a pocket letter or whatever. So I picked these up, and then I also picked these up not for this side really so much, but for these hollow words because I really like the word stickers. I have a bunch of them, but I have not seen hollow before, so I wanted to get those while they were cheap. And then the last of my $2 item section part thing is these keys. I'm just gonna stick them onto binder rings, which I also got, and I just thought they'd be cute on like ribbon or something like that. So I got one of each color, like an antique gold and then a silver. My sister picked these up because this is like her theme for her planner, but these were originally $3.99 and we got them for $1.99. Just some basic planner stickers. Right here, this is a card set. There's 3 cards in there. I got it for $1.29. It was originally $3.29, but you get 3 envelopes and then you get 3 of these cards. they're just like a really long banner cards. And in the picture here, let me pull this up. In the picture here, I thought they had pockets, so I was really excited to see that they had pockets, but then I opened them up and realized they were flat, but there's no reason you can't make them into pockets, so I think that would be pretty cool. But I thought these were nice cards, and I mean, you could definitely make that, but it's easier if you can just buy it, and especially for $1.29, why not pick it up? I also picked up a couple packs of these Heidi Swap little envelopes. I use these in my giveaway flip book, and I really like them because they have the little rope that you kind of, well, this one has the little rope that you tie around the thing just to open it up. So I got these 3 colors, each were 79 cents, and you get 4 in there. So I thought these were a pretty good deal, and they look really cute on Happy Meal. So I picked those up. I got these things on clearance for $1.99, and what they are little like clear pockets, and I have a fuse tool, and I'm kind of having trouble on figuring out how to make it work, so I thought this would be good to have because I have the Project Life one. So if this is meant to go with it, I thought this would kind of help me out a little bit. But I guess you can just put whatever you want in there, make a shaker out of it, and then you could either tape it down if you don't have a fuse tool, if you have these but you don't have a fuse tool, and then or you could use your fuse tool and fuse up the side and tape this. I guess it's meant to go onto your Project Life page like this, and so you could just add tape here and then layer them up like that. But I picked these up for $1.99. Here are the binder rings I was talking about. I got silver and the antique gold. I was running out of the silver, and then I liked that I saw the gold because it kind of bothers me having gold and silver together. So I picked up both packs, and these were part of the embellishments in Recollections too, so I did get 40% off of these. They were originally $5.99, but I only paid $2.99 for these, so that's a pretty good price, and you get 15 pieces in there, and none of them are super small, so I like that. Thought this was a great deal. I also got this package of shaker stickers. This is part of the, what is it? The Coastal Village stickers, and this was $2.39 to get this pack, and I think this is a great thing to add to pocket letters, mostly on the fronts of them, just to add a nice shaker element, but not have to fill in your own sequins or use your fuse tool or whatever. So I like those, picked them up for $2.39. I also got some Easter grass because everybody else has been, I keep watching people's like unboxing like Happy Meal videos, and I wanted to jump on the bandwagon of using this crinkle stuff, and I know it's kind of like a waste of paper and stuff, but I thought it was pretty. And this bag was only $1.60 because it was originally $2, but I had, again, the 20% off coupon, so I picked up this bag. And then I thought this would be a great thing to also fill it with, or like put that stuff into. These were originally $7.99. I did not notice that. I probably would have picked up more if I had realized they were $7.99, but I got them for $2.49, and they're just the berry boxes, and I've seen people use these to make really cute, I don't know what you call them, I guess just loaded berry boxes maybe? I don't know, I'll have to look into it. But I wanted to try making some of that, so I picked up this, and they had a bunch of different colors of these too on clearance, so I picked up those. And then I got this huge bag, 120 pieces of these little like fabric flowers, and they were originally $9.99, but this collection was 40% off, and then I got another 20% off, and that made these $4.79. And all you have to do is add like a little gem or pearl to the middle, and they make really great embellishments and really quick too. So I guess that is everything from my haul. I spent in total $54, which isn't bad at all for everything I got, and I got some really great deals, and I'm really excited for what Michaels has coming out right now with their spring stuff, and I'm excited to get some Easter stuff on sale hopefully soon. So stay tuned for that haul, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. And I also have a giveaway going, so make sure you head on over to that video so you can see how you can enter, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!